and welcome to Goodbye Gluten.
Welcome to Goodbye Gluten with Greg and Corrine, your hosts.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
So today we are making a simple summer salad you can take to any potluck or barbecue. So let's see what we're going to need. So for this summer salad, we are going to need the ingredients here. You can absolutely add or change these as you wish, but I have 1 can of drained and rinsed garbanzo beans or chickpeas. You could also use dried chickpeas that you have rehydrated if that's the way you prefer to do it. I have some feta cheese, about a half a can of large olives sliced in half, probably a cup of grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes sliced in half, and then half of a cucumber cut into large chunks. For the dressing, I love this Brianna's blush wine vinaigrette. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy. You could also use an Italian dressing or a Greek salad dressing. The idea is you want it to be somewhat of a vinaigrette. So let's get started putting this together. The assembly for this cannot be more simple. It's quite frankly, dump everything in. And we're going to do about a half a cup, give or take, of feta. Kind of, it's basically what I've got in here. We'll add a little more. So the nice thing about this, it's absolutely to what you like. If you wanted to add some carrots, you could. You could put this on top of maybe some spinach, kind of do that. So I'm kind of giving everything a quick stir. And now we will add our vinaigrette. I'm going to give it a good shake. I'm just going to drizzle this over. Again, probably start with a 1/4 cup and then go from there. This is where you can always add more. You can't take it out. But look at those colors. And the best thing is this, if you wait to add the cheese, you can absolutely take this to a summer barbecue, a summer picnic. It can be out on the counter, out on a table. It does not need to be refrigerated. This will also be made, if you make it ahead of time, it sits in the fridge and it just gets better each day it sits. So you can see it's all mixed together, the colors. This is just my favorite part. Ooh, that's a lot of tomatoes. Let's go for more cucumber. And this is a nice way to use up some leftover fresh vegetables. If you've got some cucumbers, maybe you have some carrots in there that need to be used up. Anyway, so there's that. Now let's taste it. Some olive. Yum. Thank you for coming along with me on making this yummy salad. I hope you make it, take it to a potluck. The nice thing again is that you can make it ahead, it'll sit in the fridge, enjoy, and make it your own. So thank you so much, have a great day, and remember what we always say here at Goodbye Gluten. Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.